to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal ya, but I'm done last year. Hello, can you hear? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how I felt before the world felt like my feet. There's such a difference between us, and I'm healing in mine. Hello from the other side. I must have gone 1,000 times to tell you sorry for everything that I've done. When I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the outside, and at least I can see that I'm trying to tell you sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. Clearly, doesn't take you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you will. Did you ever make it out of time when nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the world is so right.